Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday. Today we are running a little bit behind, so we're not going to show you guys how we package our items up today, but I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and we will start picking those items that sold for us.
Hello. Sorry, somebody just offered and then their payment declined.
Oh, no.
I cannot read what, like, they said something, but I don't understand what they're saying, so I'm not going to write them back. They wrote a comment on the listing, and I don't want, like, I'll write back in a bundle later. So, it's sad. I was having such a great sales day, and that would have been a really good sale to add to it, but of course, I want the window open. There's been no sound, and now there's dogs barking.
We push record, and there's a dog barking.
But Reese loves it. Hearing his friends out there. Huh. All right, so first up, I sold these Joyfully. I never think I'm saying that right. Joyfully Gladiator sandals that I got at the JBF sale. I must have averaged my cost of goods. It says I have $6.22 into these, which wouldn't have been a price at the JBF sale. So,
right.
That's what I typed in my spreadsheet. I don't remember exactly what those were listed at, but someone offered me 40 on Posh, so I definitely accepted that. And then BB. They're just some women's Merrill Jungle Mocks. These were a cool color. Normally you find the tan or like the black or brown, but I thought these were very fallish, like a burnt orange.
Yeah.
They sold for $30 plus shipping on, I think it was eBay. I sent an offer, eBay. So cool.
Cool.
I had $8.12 into those. And those, we're not really showing what we're shipping today just because we're kind of in a time crunch, but
it's been a busy day.
Those are going out in a shoebox. All right, and then CS. These little baby Jordans for $31.04 plus shipping. I have $5.99 into those. Those sold on eBay. I just ended and relisted those as sell-similar just yesterday, so I'm not saying that means it works, but that happens quite often when I do it, so I did drop the price like $2.
Okay.
I don't know. All right, so this Liberty of London tie, I got this at the bins. My average cost of goods that day was $1.96. It sold for $10 plus ship, so not huge money, but I'll take that. I just love Liberty of London stuff, so I'm coming over here to get the thing, but we're not doing
We've made a habit.
So yeah, I would have picked that up regardless because I just love the patterns and stuff. Old Navy. These are those just Christmas tree pants. These I knew wouldn't sell for a ton, but they were $1.50, so I knew I could make a few bucks and it'd be an easy sale, which it was. So $10.88 plus shipping is what those guys sold for. BH. So these Girls Sorel snow boots. I got these at Once Upon a Child the other day. I have $8.07 into them. They sold for $29.88 plus shipping.
And we are going to be making a haul on those snow boots, right? Or have we done it already?
We've already done our haul, I imagine.
It'll probably be out then. That's true.
So, I've already, by the time you guys see it, I might have sold half of them because I've already sold 3 or 4 pairs, I feel like.
Yeah, because it's Tuesday. I think that haul's going up tomorrow, Wednesday.
Yeah.
And then this video is obviously going to be up after that. So, you guys would have already seen that haul if you guys watch us.
Yeah. Those do fit in a padded flat rate, so that was nice. Otherwise, they would have been like $3 extra to ship out, so. All right, AO. These are just some Clark's black slip-on flats. I have $8.96 into these. They sold for $28.77 plus shipping. And then CD. This was a cool sale. Mostly because it was a Kitism Facebook sale, which has been non-existent for probably a year now.
Yeah, it has been a while.
I do think it kind of like fell off, just like not even that nobody was buying, just I don't think the stuff was transferring like it was. at one time, even though they never really made a formal announcement or anything like it. But recently, some of my friends on the app have been getting Facebook sales again, and I hadn't yet. But then today I got one, so
sorry.
I'm gonna open it again as soon as
okay.
we're done. I like the window open.
I like it open too.
I like neighborhood sounds.
I don't like squeaky dog barks.
I didn't even notice it that much. Anyway, so these I just listed last night on Kitizen, and then I woke up to them sold this morning, $38 free shipping. I have $6.46 into them. They are under £1, so they're shipping out first class in a poly mailer, so it only costs $6.15 to ship them out. I probably could have got more on those, but they're white, and I did wash them, but they're still pretty stained up, so I was happy with $38 free ship. All right, AF. These are some little Stride Rite baby snow boots. These I actually bought at the end of last season, so they've been sitting a while. So the price did drop all the way down to $14 on Mercari. Someone just bought them outright at that price, plus shipping. I had $3.50 into them, so not huge money, but
yeah,
still.
At least it's sold for a profit, right?
Yeah. Still like an $8 profit. I mean, that's worth it. I would still pick them up again.
Yeah.
These are some women's Bionic Sneakers. I have $9.99 into these. Someone offered me $29 plus shipping. I probably could have got a few more dollars, but that's a good enough offer for me. They were like a women's size 6, I think, so that factored into me just accepting the offer. If they were a size 9, 10, 11, I might have tried to get a few more dollars out of them, but again, I also like to just move stuff along. Right. These are some men's Polo Sport, like a leather kilty loafer. These, I normally pass on like dress shoes, but my cost of goods this day was low. They were $5.69. That was my average for all the shoes I picked up this day. That's why I grabbed them. They were in really good shape. Nice, heavy duty loafer. But these actually got so much interest that maybe I should start looking at least some men's loafers. Not like a ton, but like I listed them on Facebook. Right away I got someone asking if I do 25 plus ship. I had them listed at 35 plus ship. I didn't even answer that person. And then I got someone else the next day saying they were trying to check out and it wouldn't let them, which that's not really something I can help.
Right.
So I didn't even answer that message either. And then today they sold to a different person altogether. So for the full list price, 35 plus shipping.
Yeah, that's a lot of interest.
Yeah. There was some sold on eBay in the around 50 to 60. That includes shipping. So I did a little lower on Facebook, 35, plus they paid like 10 something in shipping. So plus tax, they're in about $50. And a really fast sale, so yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you like to sell dress shoes. I just don't really like dress shoes. Carhartt. I think that's his. Yeah. Well, I don't want to take it out, but you'll see the picture on the screen. It's just like a vintage Carhartt overall. It's like union made. It's definitely vintage. So I picked that up at Goodwill for $12.99, and it sold today for my list price $75 plus shipping on Mercari. So
very nice.
That was super good sale. All right, 8H. These are those Buffalo by David Bitton jeans. I kind of just wanted to try these out. I thought they were a good style. They were in great shape. They were kind of pricey at the thrift, $8.99. So someone offered me $25. They've only been listed a couple weeks, but I thought that was a good enough offer. I make $20 on Posh, so what's that, $11 profit. I'm happy with that. I think I could have got a few more bucks, but again, not holding out for a few bucks.
Right.
So yeah, if I could flip stuff every day for a $10 profit, if I can list 20 items a day, that's $200 pretty easily. Obviously, most stuff's gonna make more than 10, but okay. These are some men's Under Armour running sneakers. These I had listed at 40 something plus ship, I think. The buyer asked if I would do 30 plus ship. And because they're kind of worn down on the soles and stuff, I just went ahead and said yes and sent him the offer. I also only have $4.90 into these, so I thought that was a good enough profit. Even though they were only listed a couple days, so yeah. Happy with that. And then box P. Where are we at? These are just some girls' saltwater sandals. I have $7 into them. They sold on Kitizen 27 plus, not plus shipping, free shipping. They cost $5.15 to ship out through Kitizen. So yeah, not too bad.
Very nice.
This was the best sale of the day, which I keep on waiting for it to get canceled, but it hasn't. So I guess we're sending it, although I'm very, very, very nervous about it. The vintage Tommy Hilfiger Y2K overalls, the ones that were like seen with Beyonce and Britney Spears and stuff wearing back in the early 2000s or late 90s. Yeah, so they sold for my full list price on Mercari, which was $175 plus shipping. So,
oh man,
that's nuts. These did sell on Mercari a couple weeks ago for the same price, and then the buyer canceled like right away. And I think this is the same buyer, although I couldn't figure out how to look back because once Mercari cancels a sale, it's just like gone. So
yeah.
But I do remember the buyer the first time that canceled had 0 feedback, and their account said just made in 2021. So that's the same thing with this buyer. So I'm nervous, but we're gonna send it. Hope no issues arise. I only have $5.99 into the overall, so worst case is I lose $6 and a potential of like $150 in profit, which is
that
very,
a
very sad.
that's not first class, is it?
No, it's FedEx Smart Post though, and you know how Smart Post likes to take forever to deliver stuff or take forever to scan in and stuff like that. So definitely getting a receipt for that one, but otherwise, crossing my fingers, nothing goes wrong with that.
Yeah, I think it'll all go fine. Let us know what you guys think.
Yeah, I don't know if the buyer just maybe accidentally purchased the first time, just didn't have the money, and then, I don't know, was waiting on another check and then got it or what, but it's been almost 24 hours and they have not canceled, so. Yeah.
So is there anything, they can't cancel once we've shipped it, right?
I mean, they could try, but Mercari won't let them. I haven't clicked, I normally click the button like right away, but because I knew this person was probably the same person, I haven't clicked the button. I was going to wait till I had the receipt in hand that I scanned it at the post office so they can't say, oh, well, you haven't dropped it off yet. Like, yes, I have, so. Yeah. So we'll be there in a few minutes at the post office.
We're going to pack this stuff up real quick, and we'll be right back. What do you see, Reese? All right, guys, we got everything all packed up, and 2 more sales came in.
Yeah, so those boots that I was talking about at the beginning of the video, he just said his card was expired or something, and so I sent him an offer via a bundle, and he accepted. So that was these North Face boots. I have $14.99 into these from Goodwill, and he had offered me $55, to which I accepted, and so I just re-offered him $55, and then he accepted. So really nice deal. I'm actually really glad those sold, especially on Posh, because they're heavy. But also, I've been getting such lowball offers on eBay on those. Like, I don't even accept offers. People just keep messaging me like, will you take 30? Will you take 35? Like, I sell kids' North Face boots for that much. Like, I'm not selling these nice men's perfect condition ones for that. So glad those sold. And then BN.
All right, back where you were.
These are just some BOC, so like the Born lower end line sandals. I averaged my cost of goods this day, so I have $10.64 into them, although I would never buy these sandals for $10.64, so they were probably like $5.99 or less. But yeah, somebody bought them for $30 with discount shipping, so they accepted the Posher VA offer, and I'm very happy to see sandals go when the weather's cooling down. So
yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it was a really good day.
Really good day.
So, I guess we gotta go, but.
Yeah, we do have to go. We're gonna pack those ones up off camera. And there's a book fair at the school, and the kids, we told them we'd go and all that kind of stuff, and swim lessons and stuff. So it's a busy night for us. We do have to call it here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.